The U-Design It competition was a concept that we felt was required. We needed something that students could engage with during transition year or fifth year in preparation for leaving cert. And it was a competition that was open to any student, not just technology-based subject students. It would be open to art students, geography students, whoever had a passion for design.
What we're trying to develop is a curiosity for geometry. That when they walk around them and they look around the environment, they're identifying geometry applications in their own environment which they may not have been aware of prior to that. The skills that the student develops in technical graphics is the ability to problem solve, the ability to take an object and actually work through it in a reasoning manner. So they build up that ability to actually break down a problem, work out their solution.
I just love the fact that TG has the maths and geometry in that, and I love problem solving, and I thought it would be a bit of a challenge and it would go with the maths. So I went with it, and I love it now. It's really good.
Other types of skills that we're trying to develop in first year is their whole geometry skills, neatness, presentation, accuracy, and also understanding of basic concepts.
Like before, I never would have thought of like how much work was put into like designing a table or even a chair. But now I look at them in a whole different way.
Break down, baby.
A majority of it would be drawing and sketching with your T-square and your set squares, and you need an understanding of kind of spatial relations and mechanical reasoning. If you're high in them, they'll help you out quite a bit. Engineering is not always only in buildings, as you can see here. I do find that quite interesting. Like, it's opening me up to the idea of studying engineering in college, which I think I'd like.
We have received all the entries, just shy of 480 entries. We've whittled it down to 42 who we feel have engaged with the brief, have developed their ideas, and have actually informed us by telling a story from start to finish of why they want to do something and what that product is going to be at the end. We brought together the judging panel today. We're here in the DELL Innovation Centre in Limerick, and DELL have invited us to come here as sponsors of the competition.
Absolutely blown away by the entries. The diversity, the design, the thought process that went into them, absolutely incredible. I think I was surprised by the thought process that the students went through to take this from a concept, and people looking at nature, people looking at natural forms and the planet, people thinking about space, and using that as a way of creating a computer is something that most of us, probably a little bit older, don't think like that. Industry are, working on innovation all the time. A lot of those really, really clever ideas come from outside industry, competitions like this today. So we're delighted to be involved, and we're obviously delighted with the result that we've got as well.
I didn't believe it. Like, I had no idea. Like, I went on the website and I saw my name there, and it was unreal.
I didn't expect it at all. I mean, Harry went and checked the website and then told me, and I didn't believe him because the teacher hadn't told us anything. So, yeah, it's a shock.
I could not believe it. Out of the whole of the country, absolutely taken when I heard. I might do architecture after school, but now I've, lots more options in my head and different sort of ideas of what I might like to do after school.